If Steam is showing a JavaScript error, a fatal error message, or the Steam Client WebHelper keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again without guessing. These methods are simple, safe, and they solve a lot of the common interface and script problems that cause this issue in the first place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is disable the GPU accelerated UI. A lot of Steam JavaScript errors happen because the Steam interface has trouble rendering properly with certain graphics settings or hardware combinations. To do this, open Steam, then go to Settings and click Interface. In this section, look for the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views and turn it off. Right below that, also turn off Hardware Video Decoding. These two settings can sometimes conflict with the Steam web-based interface, so disabling them often removes the error right away. Once you've changed both settings, restart Steam completely and check if the problem is gone. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the Steam web browser cache. Outdated or corrupted browser data can cause Steam's built-in web pages to break and throw JavaScript exceptions. To do this, go back into Steam settings, then open the In-Game section. Here, look for the option to delete web browser data. Click it, confirm the action, and then restart Steam again. This forces Steam to rebuild fresh browser files instead of using old cache data that may be causing the issue. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix annoying script errors and loading problems. Now, if Steam is still not behaving correctly, the third step is to re-register the JavaScript DLL files in Windows. This is useful if the issue is tied to the system itself, and Windows has lost the proper connection to script execution. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator. Once the window is open, type regsir32 jscript.dll and press Enter. After that, type regsir32 vbscript.dll and press Enter as well. If the commands run successfully, restart your PC, or at least restart Steam afterward. This step helps refresh Windows script components and can fix deeper JavaScript-related errors. After trying these steps, launch Steam again and see if the error is resolved. In most cases, disabling GPU acceleration, clearing browser data, and re-registering the DLL files will take care of the problem. If the issue comes back, make sure Steam is fully updated and that Windows is updated as well, because outdated software can also contribute to these errors. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and Steam troubleshooting guides. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.